this. We got some dull paint. Gonna try to give it a little bit of wax on it. See what that looks like. You can see how dull it is. So we're gonna try to give it some shine. We have that little buffer there, orbital. So we'll try that, but we do have a high-speed heat one that works really good. If that doesn't quite do it, but we're not trying to make a mess. Just trying to see if it'll bring the shine back some. So we're gonna try to do that. Make this thing look like $1 million. Of course. I'll give her some extra. It's pretty dull. Find something to wipe it. Wow, it's pretty shiny. Not doing a lot of work. Quick, easy wax. Brings the color back pretty good. Nice. Oh, it's hard to see on there. All you see is the ceiling, but the shine's there. You actually have a reflection now versus it wasn't before. It's pretty dull. But she's pretty dull down there too, so we're gonna put some down there and try it. This is pretty easy to use. pretty shiny. Oh yeah. Another 20 horse probably. Nice and shiny, boy. What a difference. I'm just putting a little wax on it. That's the dull front end. Shiny side. Just a little bit of 5 minutes here and there on it. Dull. Shiny. Shiny, I know it's harder to see because it's towards the roof, but you get more reflection. Before you couldn't see nothing. Gotta take her out to the tractor show tonight. Show her off. Get some buff and shine. What a difference. I'll show it outside here in a little bit. But she has some shine left. Pretty easy. I was gonna put clear across it, but it's easy. Just put a little wax on it, it'll shine up. This thing was pretty rough when I got it. It's actually a reflection now. Not sure if we're gonna do that metal right there with it. Not sure yet. What a difference. pretty mint now. Nice and shiny. This is just some regular clear. I'll see if this thing will start on a crappy battery. It should, but shouldn't. Who knows? That's it. We'll get her outside, show it off, you know. So this is the final product. Looks pretty freaking good. I painted the deck black. Looks pretty good. All nice and shiny. I'll fix the seat. That'll be a later video. That's pretty much what it is right now. All shine up. Put some wax on it. Put some clear on that. The wax didn't do so good on the metal, so it needs to be cleared. She runs pretty good. All shined up. Ready to take her out. Show her off to the other tractors, you know. Yeah. It's a nice little tractor now. He was pretty rough. He's excited, see? Excited. So what's up? A quick cleanup. The plastic and metal is all nice now. Just gotta fix that seat. Should be good to go.